Almost everyone's been bullied in some way. Here are some examples.
Hey, give me your lunch money.
That's not very nice.
That's what they should be.
Example of physical bullying.
Where'd you bump into me? Weird Titans.
Example of verbal bullying. That was cyberbullying. As you can see, bullying is horrible. It should not be done, and it's affecting people all around the world. Put a stop to bullying now.
Adam, your feelings are treated.
Really want to say?